Are you an affiliate marketer, online store owner, video creator, or anyone else trying to make money online? If so, how's it going for you? If you're not getting the kind of traffic and income you want, then listen up, because this video is for you. You already know that getting traffic is hard. Most people try to do it by posting on social media or building a list. Some even spend their hard-earned cash on ads. I'm not saying that these methods are bad, but the problem is that they take time. If you're happy to wait 2 to 3 years before you start seeing results, then this page is not for you. If you'd like to start earning much faster, then listen up. I want to share an automation tool that works with one of the most vibrant social networks there is. Pinterest. It's a proven and tested method that's generating real results, even for newbies. We call it Affinity, and here's how it works. We have built a community of Pinterest enthusiasts who share each other's videos and post on their own Pinterest boards. When they do, they receive credits, which is an incentive to comment, like, and share posts even more. This sends a strong signal to Pinterest that the posts are popular, which then boosts the post even more. The software also comes with image and video editors to make sure that your pins are stunning, which also makes them very shareable. We've included an extensive video course teaching how to earn money with Pinterest, grow your Pinterest following, go viral on Pinterest, use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site, drive traffic to non-fungible token offers, and much more. Pinterest is the social platform for e-commerce store owners, affiliate marketers, video creators, and anyone who wants to make money online. And Affinity is the tool to make sure that it works for you.
To make money on Pinterest, you 100% need to post pins. A lot of pins. But no worries, with this cloud-based software you can create image and video pins, schedule them for publishing, and what's really cool, with this tool you can get your pins published by other Pinterest influencers at no additional cost to you. Pinterest cloud software is very simple, and by the end of this short tutorial you'll learn how to use all of its tools. First, you need to connect your Pinterest account. To do that, head to Pinterest settings menu on the left. By the way, you can fix a menu sidebar in place by clicking on the menu icon right here. Setup is pretty straightforward. Enter your Pinterest account email, username, password, click save, and you're all set. On the dashboard, you will see a summary of your pins created on this platform. And here you can click the corresponding buttons to either create an image or a video pin. Let's talk how to use Image Pin Creator. You can access this tool from the dashboard or from the menu on the left. First, we need to add an image. To do that, click on the button right here. You'll get an option to upload it from your computer or search for it in image stocks. For example, I enter something like dog in a search bar and it gives me all these different results from image libraries, which are completely copyright free. When image is selected or uploaded, there's a big set of options we can do. All of those are listed in this menu on the right. You can add text and change its placement by dragging like this, change its color, underline it, or move it to one of the sides. Pretty intuitive. There's also an option to add different filters to entire image by clicking these checkboxes. You can remove whites, which can be really useful to get rid of some backgrounds. You can play with brightness, noise, pixelate filter, and different tints. When using tint, you can select its opacity alongside the color. And you have even 2 more options for color overlays: multiply and blend. Using the latter, it's possible to change the overlay mode similar to image editors like Photoshop. Next, we have a menu for cropping. Click on that, now move to the image and then select the part you want to crop. After that, press apply. By the way, if you made something wrong and want to undo the action, you have dedicated buttons for undo and redo, or you can click remove to reset everything and start from scratch. Right, next you can flip the image. Both axes are supported for flipping. And of course, you can rotate an image. And my favorite one, You can draw straight lines or free draw using this tool right here. Color selection and bright size selection are available as well. When our image is ready, we can either save it as an image or post directly to Pinterest. When posting to Pinterest, give pin a title, description, select a board, and most important, enter the link. That's basically what brings you money on Pinterest. Bringing people to your site, blog, or product with the help of this link. What's convenient is that you don't have to publish your pin immediately. Here we can select schedule to choose date and exact time for posting. With Pinterest Cloud software, scheduling multiple pins for publishing is a breeze. Video Pin Creator is also a very useful tool. What it does is creating advanced video slideshow out of your images. And video pins stand out in people's Pinterest feeds. They grab more attention and can bring more clicks compared to standard image pins. Let's open up Video Pin Creator from the menu and I'll show you how to use it. There are many different options and controls here, but don't worry, they're all pretty simple to use. We can add title at the top of the page. Below there's an image placeholder. Click that and we can upload our slide, similar to how we did that with the Image Pin Creator. It's possible to upload image from your computer, from internet using the image URL, or select a photo from the image library. Once again, those are copyright free. Let's talk about all the controls on the right. Zoom effect will zoom in or out on the image, so it looks more dynamic. Fade effect adds this cinematic fade to black, either to start and or both, which is useful to make transitions between slides buttery smooth. In the next field, you can specify slides duration in seconds. Little hint here, try setting different durations for slides to keep viewers' brains more engaged. Text position obviously allows you to place text on top, in the middle, or at the bottom. Text effect defines text movement. It can slide left to right, right to left, top to middle, or bottom to middle. Font family lets you choose a font. All of them are now on screen. Pause the video and choose whichever suits your needs. Moving on to the second column. Here's a field to add slide text, and you can enlarge the field by dragging bottom right corner. Just don't go crazy and put an entire Tolstoy novel down there, okay? Next, you can decide on text color. Color picker is amazing. You can drag here to select hue, drag here to refine your selection. We have these RGB values at the bottom, which you can switch to HSL or hex, and you're free to copy-paste that hex value. On top of that, there's a picker icon. Click that and you can select color anywhere on the screen. Literally anywhere. If you happen to have multiple monitors, you can select color on any of them. Font size option defines how big or small your text will be. BG box color sets text background color. And background box padding defines how much that background will extend on each side. That's it for slide controls. Combine that with Image Pin Creator for even more possibilities. Add new button adds a new slide obviously. And each slide will have the same set of controls. In Add Audio menu, you can upload your music, and in this field below you can add a pause in seconds until music starts playing in your slideshow. Maybe you want your music to start when the second slide shows up, and your first slide is 5 seconds, so you put 6 in this field. Click Create and Pinterest Cloud will generate your video. You get this notification here, which means that software is processing your slideshow. To get the result, press My Videos button here in the top right corner. If your video is still not done, wait for a minute and reload the page. Next, click Download Video. To add video pin, head to Pinterest, Create Pin. Drag your video here, add title, description, your link, and that's it. But the real magic with Pinterest Cloud software happens when you start using Community Forum feature. With this tab, you can utilize the full power of community of like-minded people. Here's how it works. We have our credits and our pins on the left and community pins on the right. When we post someone's pin to our feed, we get a credit. When we post one of our pins to Community tab, we lose 1 credit. By posting the pin to Community tab, you can bring up your pin to a wider audience and get more clicks to your project. You see, when we select someone's pin from the Community tab, we can't change text or the link. That's right what we want for our pins on Community tab. Okay, let's select my board right here and click this button to post this community pin. As soon as it gets posted, I'll receive a credit, which I can use to bring one of my pins to Community tab. So I select my pin in the left column and click Post to Forum. That's it. You don't have to put like every community pin to your account. You are free to select just the ones that are relevant to your niche and just the ones you like. This community feature will bring you a lot of organic traffic when Pinterest will see that your pin is shared, and you'll get traffic from community as well. So that's a great way to boost your Pinterest account and increase your profits.